clashes have broken out between TMC and BJP workers at Tufanganj in Cooch Behar district. This after TMC workers went and confronted the BJP blockade that they were trying to impose 12-hour band in Tufanganj. Well, that's the big breaking news that we are getting for you. Let me go back across to Tamal. Tamal, what updates can you share with us?
Well, this happened just a short while back. We have to understand, day before yesterday, there had been a death of an individual. His name is Kala Chand Karmukar, and he is a BJP booth president. Now, he is a BJP booth president from Tufanganj in Cooch Behar district. Now, what you have picked up from police sources that there had been an ugly clash between two gangs over the immersion of Kali idol that happened on day before yesterday around evening, and he died because of those clashes. But then BJP had called it a political killing. It is also a fact that the person who has been arrested for the violence and for the killing of for Kala Chand Karmukar, he happens to be a Trinamool Congress worker. But police maintain that it could be a mere coincidence that both the people have some political identities, but BJP maintains that it was nothing but TMC's terror. It was once again political killing. Understand, this is not the first time BJP is making certain allegations. So, like in the past, BJP too had called for a 12-hour band at Tufanganj in Cooch Behar district, and we know, like in the past, this time too, in Tufanganj, Trinamool Congress and the administration had contested that band. So at this particular incident, Trinamool Congress workers had gone and tried confronting the BJP workers, tried lifting the blockade, and tried ensuring that the band call is failed. And that's how clashes erupted, clashes ensued between Trinamool Congress and BJP workers. Police had to intervene, police intervened, police resorted to lathi charge. What you're learning from sources now, that at least 10 people have been injured, but then ugly violence broke out at Tufanganj in Cooch Behar district just a short while back over the band call given out by BJP as a party in protest against the alleged political killing of one of their workers.
We'll keep tracking the developments on that front. Thank you so much, Tamal, for getting us a perspective. Of course, we'll be coming back to you for more updates.